Let's check out the Quizatron and see if there's any new questions for us.
Quizatron 9000.
All right, looks like we have 5 new questions. Now remember, you can record your answers for this somewhere, and we'll talk through the answers in the solutions video for this chapter. Question 1. What can you use a view for? Check all that apply. A. Adding a field to a content type. B. Creating a list of content. C. Creating pages. D. Installing a module. Question 2. What does the filter criteria option do in a view? Check all that apply. A. Converts your content to a sepia tone. B. Filters out which fields display. C. Filters content based on the value of a field. D. Determines the HTML element to be used for a field. Question 3. Why is it good to create data models instead of adding content as formatted HTML? A. It makes it easier to adjust the look with CSS later. B. It allows you to use the same content in multiple places. C. It makes changing content easier and less error-prone. D. It allows Drupal to automatically create a user-friendly form for entering data. Check all that apply. Question 4. Which best describes a content type? A. A node. B. A view. C. A way of viewing multiple pieces of content. D. A collection of fields. And finally, question 5. What is a node? A. A field type. B. The way do you describe the thing that's leaking when you have a code? C. A piece of content. D. A type of view. And again, we'll go over the solutions in the solutions video for chapter 3.